Hi everybody, this is the second part of the project that I've been working on for coding for my major learning project. So I just thought I'd take you through some of the stuff that I've been working on here. This is a model of the solar system that I've created, and so it's got two parts. This is the first index.html. So here's where we basically call up the different images from the web or things that we create to put into the animation. So you can see here Earth, Mars, Saturn, etc. Have all been pulled from either images on the web or been basically created. Then if we go to the style CSS, we can see for example the sun here in its position and size, and we've given it a glow, an orange glow for a border. Here's Saturn, for example. We have to give it a certain size and orientation on the screen. And then we get to the animation part, which was kind of tricky, but eventually got it figured out. So here's the Mars orbit, and we see the size of the orbit will vary around the sun depending on the planets, as well as the time it takes to do one full orbit around the sun. Rotates 360 degrees basically in the time that's given here in the algorithm, and we had to repeat that with Earth obviously, and so I'll have to finish up the rest of the planets as well. So in the end what you end up with is something that looks a little bit like this. Hopefully we can go full screen here. There we go. So you can see the different orbit. Here's Earth here going around the Sun, and that's Saturn there and Venus. So as they move around the Sun, obviously the orbits are different depending on the size of the planet and the gravitational pull. So kind of a neat thing that you could work on with students for solar system unit or for science. It's a little bit challenging, but definitely worth it in the end to see something that's kind of a visual representation. So yeah, thanks.